Well, here is the news. And this is what it's all about in wind turbines. Because I'm just testing a little installation temporarily here. And wind doesn't happen the way you like it. And it's not showing the best, but if you see those purple flowers in the middle, those purple flowers in the middle aren't moving much, if at all. You can see one of the branches on the right in the tree near that, across the lawn there, is moving just a little. But can you see in the background there, those, I'll just mid them, those branches there are waving around everywhere. Now that's at least 10 to 12 metres up, and this is the trouble with any turbine, because that up there, as it's sitting stock standard still, that there is a 400 watt 600 max turbine. It's sitting at 6 metres, and it rarely moves. It doesn't move in turning until the wind reaches at least 2 down here, 2 metres a second down here, and you can see it wobbles a little bit, but nothing much. Now this is also very unusual weather, because the wind doesn't normally come from the west or the southwest or the south, and that's what it's been doing. But you can see perfectly clearly in the background there that the upper sections of the trees are beating around, but down here there's nothing much. Now, of course there's a house in the way down here, but it doesn't mean a huge quantity there, getting into the sunlight, but there are other bits and sections of tree. Now, they're moving, but down below 12 metres, that's a problem. Anywhere in the world there are layers of air, and the first layer of air goes up about 12 metres, and that is usually filled with obstructions and turbulence from striking objects as it moves along, whereas the air above it is much less obstructed and can simply travel unhindered, so it just keeps going as far as the pressure. And that's why these need to be put up at least 12 metres, whether they're a 300 watt turbine, a 50 watt turbine, or whether it's a whole 10 kilowatts or 5 kilowatts. Won't move unless you put it up at least 12 metres. It's just sitting there for a test.